Dreaming of flying drones for your business in India but feeling lost in the legal maze? This video is your ultimate guide to cutting through the confusion. We'll simplify India's drone regulations, showing you exactly how to get licensed and operational for commercial use so you can leverage this incredible technology without any legal headaches. Welcome to MindSync Business Solutions. We help businesses navigate complex regulatory frameworks across India, including product certifications, environmental compliance, and drone regulations. Our goal is to simplify compliance so businesses can focus on innovation and growth. What are drone regulations? Drone regulations are the legal rules governing how drones are manufactured, registered, and operated. Because drones share airspace with aircraft, regulations ensure aviation safety, national security, and responsible commercial operations. Governing authorities. Drone regulations in India are governed by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, which sets the national policy. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation, or DGCA, implements these rules and manages drone registration, licensing, and operational compliance through the Digital Sky platform. Drone Rules 2021. In 2021, India introduced the Drone Rules 2021, replacing earlier restrictive policies. These rules simplified licensing procedures, reduced paperwork, and encouraged innovation in India's growing drone industry. Drone categories. Drones in India are classified based on their maximum takeoff weight, including payload. Most commercial drones used for photography, surveying, and inspection fall under the small drone category. Commercial drone applications. Commercial drone operations refer to any drone activity conducted for business purposes. Drones are widely used for aerial photography, land surveying, agricultural monitoring, infrastructure inspections, and emerging logistics applications such as delivery services. Drone registration. Most drones above the nano category must be registered on the Digital Sky platform before they can be operated. After successful registration, DGCA issues a Unique Identification Number or UIN, which must be clearly marked on the drone. This identification helps aviation and security authorities track registered drones. Remote Pilot Certificate. Most drone operators must obtain a Remote Pilot Certificate issued by DGCA. This certificate is granted after completing training at a DGCA-approved remote pilot training organization and passing theoretical and practical assessments. Airspace zones. India divides its airspace into green, yellow, and red zones. In green zones, drones can operate without prior permission up to 400 feet. Yellow zones require permission from air traffic control authorities, while red zones prohibit drone operations unless explicitly approved by the government. NPNT system. India introduced the No Permission No Takeoff system to ensure that drones operate only after digital authorization. This system helps authorities monitor drone activity and maintain safe airspace operations. Drone compliance procedure. To legally operate drones commercially in India, businesses must follow a structured compliance process that includes certification, registration, pilot licensing, and flight permissions. Type certification. Type certification verifies that the drone design meets safety and technical standards established by DGCA. Only certified drone models can be legally sold or operated in India. Digital Sky Platform. The Digital Sky Platform is the central online system used to manage drone operations in India. Through this platform, users can register drones, obtain their unique identification number, check airspace zones, and request flight permissions when required. Digital Sky acts as the digital backbone of India's drone ecosystem, ensuring transparency and safety in drone operations. Pilot training. Drone pilots must complete formal training programs to ensure safe and responsible operation. Training is conducted at DGCA approved remote pilot training organizations. Flight authorization. Before operating a drone, pilots must check the Digital Sky airspace map to identify whether the location falls in a green, yellow, or red zone. Flight permissions must be obtained where required. Operational rules. Drone operators must maintain visual line of sight with the drone and stay within altitude limits. Flights near airports, sensitive areas, or crowded public spaces are restricted unless special permission is granted. Advanced operations. Advanced drone missions such as beyond visual line of sight flights, night operations, or cargo delivery require special authorization and additional operational planning. Penalties. Operating drones without registration, flying in restricted zones, or violating safety rules can lead to financial penalties, confiscation of equipment, and cancellation of licenses. Future of drone industry. India's drone industry is expanding rapidly, with applications across agriculture, infrastructure monitoring, logistics, and disaster management. With supportive policies and technological innovation, drones are expected to play a major role in the future digital economy. How MindSync can help you. MindSync Business Solutions provides expert support for businesses navigating drone regulations in India. From drone registration to pilot certification and regulatory advisory, we help companies adopt drone technology while staying fully compliant. Thank you for watching.